Today I will be cooking some Jamaican rice and peas. Rice and peas is a traditional Jamaican dish which have been passed on from generation to generation. There are few occasions when rice and peas is not on the menu in Jamaica. Jamaican rice and peas dish originated in Ghana along the Ivory Coast in West Africa. Coconut milk is a key ingredient in the dish. Fresh herbs and spices are essential for flavor. Soaking your beans overnight will drastically reduce the cooking time. Using a pressure cooker to cook your beans will also reduce your cooking time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video. Onions had a lot of flavor to the dish, plus it contained antioxidants and compounds that fight inflammation and reduce cholesterol levels. Most Jamaicans like food that is flavorful, so many of our dishes are prepared with a variety of herbs and spices. Once the peas is cooked, we can add our herbs and spices and the rice. Always remember to wash your rice. You can also substitute white rice with brown rice or bulgur. This popular Jamaican dish can be enjoyed by everyone. You can serve it with meat or vegetables, or you can even eat it by itself. It's that good. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.